91% of our data science graduates got hired within 6 months. Here's how. While other courses focus on theory, SQL School takes a completely different approach. You will work on real projects with actual datasets from day one. Take Priya, who went from HR manager to data analyst in just 4 months. Or Rajesh, who landed his first tech role at 35 with zero coding background. You will master SQL to query databases, Python for data analysis, and machine learning to build predictive models. Every project you complete becomes part of your portfolio, something you can show employers immediately. Our students don't just learn data science, they become data scientists. Ready to join them? Start your transformation today at SQLschool.com.